Marketing and branding, creating a strong identity for your business. Marketing and branding are essential components of creating a strong identity for your business. The goal of marketing is to promote your products or services to your target audience, while branding is about creating a unique and memorable identity for your business that sets it apart from competitors. Here are some steps you can take to create a strong identity for your business through marketing and branding. Define your target audience. Before you start marketing and branding your business, it's important to identify who your target audience is. This will help you tailor your message and branding to appeal to the people who are most likely to be interested in your products or services. Develop a unique brand identity. Your brand identity is the visual and emotional representation of your business. It includes your logo, color scheme, typography, and other design elements that help people recognize and remember your brand. Make sure your brand identity is consistent across all marketing materials, including your website, social media profiles, and advertising. Create a compelling brand story. Your brand story is the narrative that defines your business and what makes it unique. It should reflect your values, mission, and vision for the future. A compelling brand story can help you connect with customers on an emotional level and build long-lasting relationships. Use social media to build brand awareness. Social media is a powerful tool for building brand awareness and connecting with customers. Use platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to share updates about your business, promote new products or services, and engage with your audience. Offer exceptional customer service. Your brand identity is not just about your visual design and messaging. It's also about the customer experience. Make sure you offer exceptional customer service that reflects your brand values and reinforces your brand identity. By following these steps, you can create a strong identity for your business that resonates with your target audience and sets you apart from competitors.